Hello, my name is Hae-Sung Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today, with the Labor Attorney Jung Bong-soo, we will introduce and regarding the employment labor law audit that we will publish very soon. And there was some improvement of the content. So, could you explain the detail of the book, please?
Hello, how are you today? This is Bong-soo Jung, Korean labor attorney. Today I'm very happy to introduce the last draft for the new book named Employment Labor Law Audit. So this is designed to audit the company's preparedness for the labor law compliance. So this book is a kind of risk management. Any company must be ready to follow, but usually if they do not inspect or audit their own company, you cannot trust that company. So working conditions, so there are legal duties for many items for the company. So if they do not review their condition or check their condition according to some proper method, you cannot maintain your business successfully. So in order to maintain your business very healthy and the compliant, comply to the company regulation. So it is necessary to check your company's compliance in advance. So this book provides such a preventive action. So then management will report the result of how their company is following the labor law. So labor law and employment law. So this book can be a risk management. So I think just like any cases, labor inspector may audit the company. Also, company workers, they feel very unsatisfied with the company's measure. Then through this audit system, we can find what was wrong with the company. So this book has a very such a function to support company. So this book consists of 3 different parts. So one is the necessity of this employment labor audit. Also, the part 2, it deals with 16 items that companies should prepare for their own the law following management. Yeah. So each questionnaire and explanation for this part. There are 16 items. Then the part 3, it is explained that how to use this book. Also, there is one template that this labor law firm can provide to the company when they try to audit the company. So I think this book is the first ever published in Korea. So this book is bilingual. So I think foreign companies may get good reference by using this book. So this book will be published no later than this February. So this afternoon I sent the English draft to my longtime friend, David Crafton, who live in Canada. So he promised to complete this proofreading as soon as possible. Then when he received that final the English draft, then we'll start to edit for the purpose of publication. Yeah. So I'm very happy today because we finished the editing or the supplementing all necessary content here. So this book will be, I hope this book will be published no later than this March. Yeah. I am sorry, the end of February. Yeah.
I see. I think it's a very meaningful book because, as you said, the employment labor audit, this is like a risk management of each and every company. And the the labor audit is very frequently made in Korea, and we, Gangnam Labor Law Firm, also published the book to prepare for the labor audit. Is that right? And especially the employment and labor law audit is very critical for risking any risky management in the company level. So, do you agree?
So I think this audit is very necessary. So also there are some similar book we already published. That is like labor inspection manual. So also it follows some audit system. So what's the difference between this employment and labor law the audit and some labor kind of labor inspection manual? So this book has very similar items. What is difference is this employment and labor law the manual or audit has a more wider the content. So labor inspection manual only it was designed to prepare the necessary item required by law in order to prepare for labor inspector auditing. However, this book is a self-audit system, so company may correct those necessary items related to the compliance of labor law.
I see.
So okay.
So, do you think that the Ministry of Labor, although there are country like standard policy regarding the financial audit or some other like important audit that is legitimate for the overall company for the national level, but in case of this employment and labor audit, I think it is in order to stimulate this particular area. I think it's very important that the Ministry of Labor should set up some sort of a policy so that the company may be compulsory. It is compulsory for them to follow this and get a proper expertise advice on this area.
That's true. So this book will provide a good answer to the company to prepare for the labor inspection manual audit. So I'm sure this book will make the company healthy and ready for any the audit from labor inspector. So also this book will support the company to deal with the kind of the legal issue. So if they audit their company, it is a way to prevent any potential issue in advance. So I hope the government to adopt labor and employment law audit system, so companies can prepare their audit by themselves. Then company may reduce their workforce, or self-control is better than actual labor cases they may have. So through this employment and labor law audit, company can get rid of any wrongdoings, misconduct. Also, they try to follow the legal requirement necessary by law.
I see. And I understand that this was benchmarked from the U.S. labor employment labor law audit. And if that's so, U.S. in case of the U.S. America, this kind of audit is generally adopted in the any company level. Is that right?
So labor inspector, they regularly visit company as their basic duty. So like once every 3 years, most company have one time for the labor inspectors audit. So this book is a self audit book. So company can check their the compliance the level through using this book.
I see. So I hope that first of all we would congratulate the publication of this employment labor law audit, and many companies should follow and seek advice from the specialists like us and Gangnam Labor Law Firm.
Yeah, thank you very much for your good compliment. Yeah. So yeah, of course, I regard it as my duty to publish in better book. This the employment labor law audit. So this book will really support the company. So I hope government adopt this regular the audit system for the HR and the employment. Yeah. So then they can potentially reduce any legal risk in advance. So I hope this book is published very well and adopted by the many companies.
Thank you very much for your comment.
Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.